close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Morning. Normally I have these side doors, this side door over here open, but too many fuckers. Too many bastards. Right, I got up at 11:15. I set my alarm for tomorrow for 11. So I woke up naturally, got a bit loud, so with birds chirping. So look, I'm getting attacked. That is quite annoying me. It's annoying me. I'll put that down there. That was quite nice. The actual lantern, candle on the bed. So right, so I've only got 14 minutes, so I'm going to keep the end one quite short. I'll do a short video of like literally maybe 30 seconds to show before the tent's taken down, after the tent's taken down, before the fire pit's cleared down, and afterwards. No process of taking it down. I've already done the video like that. So I've got to leave no trace. So all the stuff that I've brushed in the air, like around the perimeter of the tent, will be brushed back. It won't take long. That's the easy part. I could spend another day here. When I get to a new place, it's a little bit sort of uneasy because it's new surroundings. But I can hear the put that out. I can hear the actual stream, which is quite calming. It's a shame I can't be next to the feature, but the terrain down there is a little bit moist. So I'll have to air this tent, obviously. Okay, I thought I'd have a little video before I go. I'll switch it round so you can see what my perspective is. There we go. There's inside the tent. There's the fucking flies. There we go. There's the wood left over. Cool. I'm hoping to carry just a little amount of wood. So, I don't know. I'll have a think about it. I'll go and get the wheelbarrow. No. I'm going to carry the Bergen to the car, then come back for the woods. And the water. Yeah, I'm not going to waste the water. Right, it's good, mate, you know. Look at that. Cool. Right, So I've lazily put everything into separate bags. I fucking can't be asked to itinerarise everything. It's 1:30. I need to literally dismantle that tent, pack it into that bag there. So I've got to dry it out anyway, so normally I'll compartmentalise everything, but I can't be asked. Alright, let's do this. That's the fire pit before. This is this item here. I'll show everything before and after. So I've got to clear all this bracken back, empty that fire pit, and then do it over. I'll do a picture afterwards. Yeah, cool. There's the river. Cool. Fire pit's done. If you're savvy enough, you'll probably know that there's something there. Obviously, there's an indent in there. I just covered all this back over again. All done. Right, I need to ferry all my kit back to the car, have a dump, and then come back and pick up the water and stuff. Yeah, gotta do it, mate. Let's go. Have a little look at the river again. There we go, mate. Let's get out of here. That's all my stuff I need to ferry back.
Never small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. nuestro